everybody, and welcome to the session. Welcome to the session, and apologies for being a bit late. Hi, Ananya, Anand Srivastava. Hi, Nirmal. Hi, Vainavi. Hi, Vainavi. And hi, Mahalakshmi. Hi, Vanshika. हाय राज गोपाल, वेलकम टू द सेशन. आपके साथ अनकैम नहीं हो पाई विजेता में. I know, Anshika, I'm really sad. I saw your screenshot and I was just so sad. I was really sad about that. But क्या करें, I was on leave and had no internet access. What's up, मैम? विजेता कोर्स करेंटली एक्सपीरियंस एंड प्रॉब्लम्स ओनली स्केड्यूल बाकी भी होगा. नहीं अंशिका, हमने ऑलरेडी बोला था. आई गेस नबमिता मैम हैज टोल्ड ओनली फ्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर पिक्ड, सो आई हैव पिक्ड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बिकॉज 6th, 7th and 8th all can attend that, and Priya ma'am has taken up exponents and powers. ठीक है, cool. First time attending live, that's amazing. Satvika, welcome to the class. Let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here on Vedantu. So today's session, everybody already knows about it. It's pictograph, bar graph, histogram and all of that, right? So here's a quick meme about a pie chart. All of you know what a pie chart is, right? So here the yellow, mustard yellow is next day in class we had homework. Half of them will do that. In blue, does the homework right before the class in the before period. And the red one that you're seeing is does homework the day it is assigned. मतलब आज अगर मैंने homework कर दिया तो आज ही सबने कर दिया है. Very few people, but all my YouTube students are fall under the red category here. So that's amazing. I can see 71 people live watching right now and only 46 likes. Why is this happening? Why? So guys, hit the like button right now. Hi Sia, welcome to the class. You can also follow me on Instagram. It is haripriya.vedantu. Do not forget to like the video and show us some love. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any notifications whenever I come live or whenever any teacher of this amazing channel comes live. And also share this video with your friends, in your family group, in your school WhatsApp group, and make sure you are helping everybody during exams. Do not be कंजूस, ठीक है? Do not be selfish. Thank you Ananya and hi Krishna. बहुत टाइम हो गया है. Correct. So chalo. Let us get started. Hi Shifa. Hi Manasvi. Hi Aryan Arora. Awesome. A lot of new names, guys. 72 people watching, only 70 likes. Why? Come on, everybody start liking the video right now. 69 likes. Why? Chalo. Let's get started with the Silver Kids Reward Batches, a level up motivation for all you rock stars out there. So welcome to the award ceremony. We had a Mentee matlab quiz in the previous class. And on top of the quiz, we had Taran. And at the bottom of the quiz, we had Devij, if I am pronouncing your name right. Yeah? Hi, Anisha. You're my long-term student. That's amazing. Welcome. I want to see the Homework Superstars. Yes, because you are there in Homework Superstars. Chalo, let's get started with the Homework Superstars. We have Sandhya, who is Manav, who got it right. Sanskriti Shushma, also my long-term student, who have answered it amazingly well. Then we had Tanmay, Maithili, then Anjali Kumari, Manasvi, Mahalakshmi, and then we have Manasvi again, Sheetal, Bajaj, I am Prajwal. Acha, it's Prajwal, not Sheetal. And then we have, who is this? Guneet Kaur. Well done everybody, well done. हाँ, मैंने भी दिया था 10 लाइन का आंसर. बहुत सारे लोगों ने दिया था amazing answers, but I've picked only top 10 if I'm not wrong. And guys, this was what? Wait, not the Saturday wala. I'm talking about the Wednesday wala class. ठीक है? I'm talking about Wednesday's class, Saturday wala class नहीं. Cool? चलो चलो चलो. अच्छा, Anshika, okay, this is about the Wednesday class. I'm not sure now. ठीक है, मे बी मैंने चेंज नहीं किया है शायद. Okay, so let us get started. And last train to Vedantu, last train to Busan nahi, last train to Vedantu. Okay, it's Manasvi, not Mahalakshmi. Okay, Manasvi. Okay, wait till the end to know about it. There's a lot of amazing courses coming up on the Vedantu platform where you can directly meet us, interact with us, and have a lot of fun with all the master teachers. I will be telling you about that. But before that, let's get into the session. We'll start with the quote of the day. Then we'll talk about the chapter data handling, under which we will be doing what are pictographs, bar graphs, and histogram. And then, yes, of course, your mentee. And then again, I'll give you a homework question where I will be taking up the top 10 people's name in the next class. ठीक है? तो fun fact ये है, Australia is wider than the moon. And the moon sits at 3,400 kilometers in diameter, while Australia's diameter from east to west is almost 4,000 kilometers. So yeah, the continent Australia is wider than the moon. That's interesting. So let's get started with the NCERT Exemplar questions on data handling. This will be the last chapter on which we will be doing the series of NCERT Exemplar. इसके बाद हमारा परीक्षा शुरू होता है where we will revise for your final exams. ठीक है? Okay. चलो. So today first we'll start off with what is a bar graph. So you all know when we have to compare a set of data, when we have to plot them not in tabular form but a graphical representation is when we talk about a bar graph. So the horizontal line is the x-axis and the vertical line here is your y-axis. The frequencies are written on the y-axis and the attribute that you're showing is written on the x-axis. Then comes histogram. The difference between a bar graph and a histogram is used when the data is continuous. मतलब 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and so on. So when the data is continuous like this without any breakage, without breaking, is when we use our histograms. And there is no gaps between the histograms because the data is continuous. We will be talking more about it. We will be doing questions on it. Class width, class size, ये सब कुछ हम करेंगे, ठीक है? Then comes pictograph. It is nothing but a representation instead of tabular form in form of numbers. We represent the information given to us using pictures, using images. That's when we call that representation as a pictograph. So here, instead of telling I have sold 10 apples in January, I have drawn 1 apple. And what did I give you the scale as? 1 apple represents 10 apples in real life. So instead of writing the number 10, I have represented it using an apple, indicating that one image of an apple is 10 apples in real life. And if half an apple is given, so half of 10 is 5 apples in real life, right? So let's begin with the questions. Here is your question number 1. So here I will be interacting with you in the chat box. So make sure you're reading the question and answering it. The given bar graph shows the favorite colors of 20 students in a class. How many more students favor orange color than green? How many more students favor orange color than green? You tell me. Exactly. 4 people. How did I tell that? So how many people like orange? 5 people like orange. How many students like green? Only 1 student like green. So the difference between the number of students who like orange and green will give you how many more people like the color orange. Easy peasy. Let's do a question on pictograph. The number of girl students in each class of co-ed middle school is predicted by the following pictograph. So one image of this girl actually resembles 4 students in real life. Okay, one student in this picture is actually 4 students in real life. So now you tell me, how many girls are there in class 7th? How many girls are there in class 7th? Come on, you tell me this. Quick, quick, quick. Let me see how many of you are answering it right. Why am I not getting the live chat? Guys, give me 1 minute. The live chat is empty. I don't know why. Yeah. Exactly. 12 students. How did you say that? How did you say it is 12? Because when it comes to grade 4, you can see 4 students here, 4 students here, 4 students here. So when you add all of them, it is equals to 12. Why are we taking one image to be 4? Because the scale is given to be one image is equals to 4 girls. Now the answer here is 12. Awesome. Now, by how much number of girls in grade 6 is less than the number of girls in grade 5? How many girls are there in grade 6 and grade 5? And how much more do we have in our grade 6th? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Awesome, Charvi. Awesome. Full marks expected. Hey, that is amazing. You're making me proud. Thank you. Okay. Yes, what is the answer? 6? Are you sure? Let's check. The number of girls in grade 6th is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 16. So totally there are 16 here. While that in grade 5, 4 plus 4 plus 2. Because if one full image is 4 girls, then half of that image will only represent 2 girls. So 4 plus 4 plus 2 will give you totally 10. So how many more are there? Find the difference. 16 minus 10, which is equals to 6. Okay? Guys, my voice is not coming. Okay. Can you hear me? Give me a yo if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Yes, coming? It's clear. Okay. Chalo. Let us get started with question number 3. Look at the histogram below and answer the questions that follow. Question number 1. How many students have height more than or equal to 135 centimeters but less than 150 centimeters? Come on. You tell me. What is the answer for this? How many students have height more than or equal to 135 but less than 150? Krishna Mithwani got the answer. Sorry. Khushi got the answer. Adhavya got the answer. Heart OP got the answer. Adhya got the answer. Pragya Adhyavya. 42. Exactly. Why? Because we have to count everything which is greater than 135 including 135. And so it is 14 plus 18 plus 10 because we want it to be less than 150. So it is 14 plus 18 plus 10. So guys, whenever we have a limit like this, so continuous data like this, 130 to 135. So when you are counting the lower limit, this is the lower limit. In this data, 125 is lower limit, 130 is upper limit. So we do not count 130 in this data, we count 130 in the next one. That is why I have taken from 135 to 140. Because I have included equal to 135 also. So yes, totally there were 42 students. How many students have height more than or equal to 135 but less than 150. We have already done this, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So here, so now guys, you tell me, from the histogram, the least number of students is in interval 4. Why? Because here, between 150 to 155 is the number of students having the least height. Matlab only 4 people have height between 150 and 155. Right? Now let's move on to a similar question of continuous data under histogram. So this is a frequency distribution table. Whenever I say frequency distribution table, what is the first thing that should come to your mind? Histogram, continuous data. So here class intervals is given, frequency is given. So now you tell me, what is the lower limit of the second class interval? Lower limit. Awesome, awesome. So the second class interval is this one, and the lower limit of that is 20. Now what is the frequency of the third class? What is the frequency of the third class? I'm asking about frequency of the third class. Krishna, Arushi, Jain, Pramod, Deepa, Sanju. Awesome, awesome. Edited video clips. Amazing. So the answer here is 4, because the frequency of the this third class here is 4. What is the third class? 30 to 40. Now what is the class size of this data? What is the class size of the data? To crash course at Vedantu and say that is a problem. What is the class size of the data? Exactly. The answer is 10. How will you calculate the class size? It is upper limit minus lower limit of any class. You can take 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. You can take anything. Upper limit minus lower limit will give you the class size. Let's move on to the fifth question. The top speeds of 30 different land animals have been organized into a frequency table. Draw a histogram for the given data. So this is a continuous data, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and so on. So clearly we have to draw a histogram for it. So what is a histogram? It is a type of bar graph where the class intervals are shown on the horizontal axis and the height of the bars, or you can say rectangles, shows the frequency of the class interval. This is the class interval. This is the frequency of the class interval, right? And here there are no gaps between the bars. Remember, in a histogram there are no gaps between the bars because the data is continuous. So here this is called as a kink. A kink is nothing but a distorted line which shows that there is a breakage in the data. Which shows that we do not have the data between 0 and 10. We are starting from 10 to 20, right? So that's why there is a small breakage in the line here on the x-axis. So right from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So now what is given? 10 to 20, the frequency is 5. So you will take it till 5 here. Again 20 to 30, the frequency is again 5. So you have taken it to again 5 here. Next the frequency is 10. Next the frequency is 8. Now between 50 to 60, the frequency is 0. So how will the graph look like here? Nothing. There is no height of the graph. Leave it blank. And then again you do from 60 to 70, right? So this is how you have to draw a histogram. And also, guys, do not forget to mention the scale. It's super important to mention the scale. Okay? Cool? Now, so let's get started with the quizzes here. Before you join the quizzes, let me tell you the last train to Vedantu is the last crash course. That is Vijeta. Enroll to this revision batch, and this is for everybody, 6th, 7th and 8th. Here we will be giving you everything that you require before your exam starts. Last minute tips and tricks. Learn about your favorite YouTube master teachers and live class with in the class doubt solving. We can talk to each other. I'm going to unmute you and cam you and do a lot of amazing fun in this class. And the base price is 700. But if you use the coupon code YHPRO, you're only getting it for 630 rupees. So what you have to do is go to the video that is happening right now. Look at the live chat. It's just going crazy here. Okay, so go to this video which is happening right now and go to the description box of this video. ठीक है? इस description box में you can see the first link. Make your 6th, 7th and 8th grade preparation easier with Vijeta Crash Course. Click on that. When you click on that, it will take you to this batch where you can choose which grade are you from. It's the same for all the grades and you can click on buy now. Okay, I am not authorized to do this, but you can totally do this here. Okay, click on join now. Again, I'm not authorized to do it. So all you have to do is under this video, there is Vijeta ka first link. Click on that. 600 rupees mein you're getting a crash course from me, Nabamita ma'am, Surbhi ma'am, Firdaus ma'am, Priya ma'am, Pritesh sir, Mohan sir, Sundar sir, everybody you're getting. 8 people you can take classes with on the Vedantu platform. You can interact with them. If not, you can also take up CBSE full syllabus ka crash course here. Now in this is only for what? 450 rupees. You will be getting 40% off if you apply the coupon code YHPRO. Here it is 540 rupees. It is 450 rupees here. You can click on buy complete course. You will be getting a discount. 500 rupees ka course hai, you will be getting it for 450 rupees. But here you don't know your teachers. You can be in any batch. It's not necessary you will be in my batch only. But if you come to Vijeta, you will definitely meet me and every other teacher you're seeing on Vedantu Young Wonders. So you will be getting tips and tricks before the exam, every concept that you need to know, the hard concepts that you need to know, everything has been taken care of under Vijeta, right? So enroll for it right now. The link is there in the description box. And also for the Vedantu's crash course, all you have to do is the link is in the description box, or you can see the pinned comments. In the pinned comments also, the Vijeta batch is only for 630 rupees only. Or if you want to buy the complete crash course, it is for 450 rupees. Both the links are there in the description box. You can use this coupon code YHPRO to get an additional discount. Waiting for your class and for Mohan sir's Swayamvar. Acha. Krishna, you are in the crash course, right? Yes. A lot of you people are in the crash course. It's going to be amazing. Unlimited live classes with high level quizzes. You can compete with students throughout the world who has come to your, YouTube also. And interactive replays, quizzes, premium downloadable notes also we will be providing you with. And you can get all your doubts solved during the session. And there are unlimited free micro courses. The crash course that I'm talking about, the 14th February was the last one. You can join that as well and get the recorded sessions of whatever live sessions you have missed out, right? So let's get started with the Mentee. Come on, everybody, join the Mentee. The code is 26457981. Let me show you the code again. It is what was the code? 1 minute. 457981. Yeah. 26457981 is the Mentee code. Hurry up, everyone. Quick. Krishna, I will definitely do that. My session is on 26th of Feb. Okay? The session is from 9 to 10 p.m. It's going to be amazing. So join in Vijeta Crash Course for the grade 6th, 7th and 8th. I will try to interact with everybody almost in the session. Okay? Chalo. Let's get started with the Mentee. Everybody says let's get started with the Mentee. Is everybody here? I can see 71 people live watching, but only 55 people joined here. Why? पुराने बच्चों को टाइम आउट नहीं मिलना चाहिए, वो पता नहीं क्यों होता है, हम हमारी तरफ से कुछ नहीं करते हैं. बट आई विल टॉक टू द टीम अगेन अबाउट इट. ठीक है, लेट मी इन्फॉर्म दिस टू योर फ्रेंड्स. Chalo. Are you all ready? I can see only 63 people have joined right now. Why is that? Why is that? I love maths, but I'm sad because I cannot learn by you because I'll be going to class 9th. Yes. Harsh sir is also there. He will teach you. Don't worry. I bought a micro course of yours. Okay, I can't wait to see you in the micro course. How's the Josh? Join the live Mentee, everybody. Hi Vidya. Chalo, let's get started. I'll start. Here's your first quiz question. How to join the Telegram group link? It's there in the description box again. Shrikanta. It is there in the description box. बहुत सारे easy सवाल दिए हैं मैंने. तो let me see how many of you will get it right. Okay, Anshika, 52% of you got it right. In the class interval 250 to 275, 250 is known as lower class limit. Let's look at the leaderboard here. And we have Anshika, cute teachers, cute kid. Then we have BWE, Horace, Horace. And then we have Ashrita YH Pro, ma'am, bacha OP, yes. We have Devanshi, Manaswi, hi-fi. Subscribe to edited clip videos. Then we have Krishna, hi-fi. Albert Einstein, Abhishek, hello and hi-fi. Surbhi ma'am mocked you, ma'am. I am Taran. What did she do now? She keeps doing something or the other. What did she mock right today? Not today, yeah. When did she mock and what did she do? Taran, you have to tell me. And then we have Ritik Shah. Well done, everybody. Let's move on to question number 2. Here we go. Hi, Vaishnavi. Welcome back. Which of the following shows the relationship of comparisons between groups? Which graph will you use? Which graph do you use? Taran, I'm still waiting for you to answer. How did she mock me? I need to know. Guys, it is bar graph. Between two things, it is double bar graph. Only when you're comparing two things. Okay? But bar graph, you have to take up a group of things that you compare. Okay? Chalo, let's get started with the leaderboard. Okay. And I know Heart OP, I know. That day. Oh, Vaishnavi, hello. I remember you. Then we have Abhishek, Devanshi, Krishna, hi-fi. Then we have Arshneet, Anusha here. Then we have Adhavya. Then we have Dhairya, Nikita, Satvika and N. Who is this N? Didn't you get time to write your answers? Chalo, third question on your screens, everybody. On your screens. Refer to the below image. How many books are there in the subject whose books are minimum? which subject has minimum number of books and what is that number is what we are asking. Okay, Krishna, I would definitely do that. Awesome, everybody. Good job. Majority of you have got it right. Okay, the question was maximum. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought it was minimum. No. The question is maximum. Sorry about that. Chalo. Let us move to the first. Okay, first the leaderboard. And awesome. We have Abhishek, Devanshi, Krishna, Anusha, Arshneet, Adhavya, Dhairya, Nikita, Satvika and Horace. Well done. Yes, few micro courses are pre-recorded, bacha. So you have to take and check if it is live or pre-recorded. Okay? Okay. My first question was, where is Haripriya ma'am? Oh, hard OP. In the continuous data, each of the groups is called as. What is it called as? And awesome. Yes, the continuous data, in the continuous data, each group is called as the class interval. Okay? Let us see. Awesome. Devanshi, Albert Einstein, that is Abhishek. Arshneet, Manasvi, hi-fi. Krishna, hi-fi. Taran. Then we have Anusha, Ugdono, say hi. Hi, Ugdono. Then we have Vij and Maithili. Well done. Let's move on to the last question. Here we go. Vaishnavi, I'm really sorry for that, bacha. What does each 1 centimeter block on the vertical axis represent? The vertical blocks that you're seeing, what does it represent? Does it represent temperature, Delhi, Dehradun, ya 10 degrees centigrade? Exactly. Okay, this seems to be a bit wrong here. It represents temperature if I'm not wrong. So let me just okay, just give me a minute. I'm changing that answer. It shouldn't be 10 degree. Let me check and change. Okay, I changed it, but I'm not sure if it has changed. Oh yeah, it did. Awesome. So the bars, the vertical bars represent the temperature, right? So yes, majority of you have got the correct answer. Good job. No, 1 unit is equal to 10 degrees centigrade. Acha, 1 centimeter block in the vertical axis represent. Ooh, okay, 1 unit. Acha, they should be asking unit then. They didn't clearly mention. Okay. So yeah, it's okay. 1 centimeter is actually 10 degree. They should have asked the scale, but I thought the block, the entire thing. So it has to be temperature. है ना? चलो. D होगा correct, but scale नहीं पूछा था. ठीक है? Okay, so we have Devanshi leading the leaderboard, and yes, it actually has to be A and D. Either I had to change one of them, but okay. So Devanshi has got the correct answer, and good job everybody on the fastest fingers list and on the leaderboard. Not fastest fingers list, leaderboard. And here's your Vijeta batch. Join in because you will be taking up classes with all these amazing master teachers on the Vedantu platform. In the next class, we are going to do a collab session with Priya ma'am, where we will be doing Shanka Samadhan. Grade 8th के थोड़े questions है. So we are going to do solve doubts of grade 8th, which is on 23rd of February, Wednesday को. at 2 p.m. Right? So join in the Vijeta batch and the regular crash course of CBSE full syllabus. The link is there in the description box. You can use the coupon code YHPRO. And also comment below and tell me what are all the chapters that you are getting for your term 2 exam. Term 2 final exams mein aapka syllabus kya hai? What are all the chapters you're getting? So basically today there is no homework. This is your homework. This is what you have to do and tell me. And also follow me on Instagram, haripriya.vedantu. Thank you so much. You people were lovely today. See you again on Wednesday with Priya ma'am. Bye-bye.